Hey, how's it going, everybody? Don here from VRGD Studios, and I am here with Cecil from Chameleon Studios, and they have a really interesting demo that they're about to show me. Now, you guys know I have a background in, retail electronics and stuff, and I've always been fascinated with it ever since I was a kid. So when I saw this, I had to come see it. So tell me a little bit about what the passion behind this project was.
The passion is about getting kids to learn, honestly. Okay. We have a lot of complex topics out there, and let's face it, life is harder than it's ever been for anyone, including kids. We want to create a method to be able to help them better understand complex theories like electrical theory, and our project is a way to do that.
Okay, so cool. So it looks like you've gamified this. So what was the decision to gamify it?
Gamification is always a tricky board to walk. Okay. I would offer instead, we've provided a story.
Okay.
And that story is something that's believable and attainable to be able to help motivate a student to walk through the process. Okay. And along the way, they're going to learn some stuff.
Okay, well, fantastic. So what am I actually going to see in the demo today?
Oh, we've got a real treat for you today. Okay. I want you to imagine yourself being in the basement of a castle, starting in the dungeon, where all electrical is dead.
Oh, okay.
And from there, we're going to teach you how to bring it back to life.
Well, I got to tell you, Cecil, I am chomping at the bit to get in there and take a look at this demo, so let's go.
You're currently in the courtyard of the castle.
Okay.
And it's intended to showcase the development team and the effort that went into creating it. In order to get you into the game, you're going to go to the front door and choose the path you wish to take.
Okay, I love the environment. Nice, expansive environment. Nice scale. Okay.
An interesting footnote you might find of interest is that the skybox is JPL's Milky Way converted to a cube map.
Oh, wow, okay.
That is authentic.
I see the band now. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. Gorgeous skybox. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and enter the castle here.
And choose Begin Learning to be a student and solve the puzzles.
Okay, let's do it. All right, so here we are. We have been dropped into the basement, and got to say once again, scale very good. Everything's looking great. Okay, so it looks like we've got our first challenge over here. Let's see what we got. All right, so we're going to teleport to the table, or walk to the table. Okay, so we got to place the batteries in the flashlight. Okay, so basically, looks like we got our flashlight here, and got a battery. There we go. There we go.
You only need two.
Oh, you only need two, okay. Screw that cap on there, and there we go. And now we have one of my favorite VR mechanics, and that is a flashlight. So, there's two little quick presence builders that VR devs can add to games, and that's mirrors and flashlights. And flashlights always give me a nice little presence pop. So loving that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that on our head here. And all right, now I got a cool hat. So, all right, moving on. Let's see what's next.
And your first door is opened. It's to your right. Behind you.
There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, we're get some spark action here. All right, very good. Loving that. Okay, nice detail on all the switches and models. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to move the switch handle to down, turn it off. We're going to remove those fuses from the panels. And you definitely do want to turn it off, kids, before you mess with electricity here. All right, so let's go ahead and take these panels out. Now, for those of you who've watched the channel for a while, you might know I used to work at this little place called Radio Shack. We very much were all about all of this stuff. Okay, I picked up the multimeter and pressed the button for continuity. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. And reveal meter test leads, pressing A, okay, and X buttons. There we go, I did that. So let's see here, touch the test leads in together and listen for the tone. There we go. Now, I can't really hear anything. It is a loud environment here, but let's see if I can turn that up a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go, now I've got my tone. Okay. Fuse, tone indicates the fuse is good. There we go. I got a good fuse. Oh, I got a bad fuse here. I don't want to use that one. Not that one either. There we go. I found 2 good fuses here. Okay. Place those 2 good fuses in. Okay, and there we go, and move the switch, and let's get some lights on. Yes, there we go. Oh, there we go. Got to move that switch all the way, and our new door has opened. So, all right, in order not to take up everybody's time, I am going to go ahead and cap it here. But I got to tell you, just that little simple demonstration right there was incredible. You know, these guys are gamifying learning electronics. And, you know, as someone who is passionate about STEM, as someone who's passionate about younger people learning, I think this is fantastic. So we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on this title. Okay, guys, that was really cool. I gotta say, I obviously didn't play a lot because, you know, it's a trade show and I do want to be respectful of everybody's time. But, you know, just that intro right there, just learning the circuitry, pulling out the multimeter, learning about continuity right there off the bat, it just spoke to me, and I can really see how now, like you said, you're really trying to position this towards that youth market to start learning the basics of electronics. So, Cecil, you know, when is the game coming out? I know it's not released yet.
We're targeting a Christmas release date for level 1.
Okay, for level 1.
Beyond that, we're going to do a phased approach based on investment and funding to be able to move forward.
All right. Well, guys, look, starting in December, take a look at my channel. You know, when this comes out, I will definitely be covering it more. I want to see more of this. All right. But for me, on to the next one. I'll see you.